Celebrate of World Environment Day 2024. On 5th June 2024, BSF Gandhidham, Kutch, Gujarat initiated a tree plantation drive at Gandhidham campus to celebrate World Environment Day. The theme Land Restoration, Desertification and Drought Resilience aligns with BSF's vision for a greener planet. The drive was also celebrated by various units HQRS under BSF Gujarat, which included planting diverse species of trees suited to local ecosystems, aiming to combat air pollution, provide wildlife habitat, conserve and beautify the surroundings. These efforts highlights BSF's commitment to restoring ecological balance and mitigating climate change. Report by Bharti Makhijani, Gandhidham.